Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Adibala and welcome to Wine Trend. So in this video, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to debrief it about the latest development on website right now. Platforms. There are many websites right now, like forums that you can earn money from. But the thing is, these websites have many similarities. First, I've been observing this web on some websites for like 2 to 3 months right now, and I know how these websites behave. At first, when this website first started, they will make payments clearly, in a good way, so that it can attract many users. But once they say that they have obtained the minimum of user they required, then they change their policy. And when they change their policy, there is a 95% possibility that those who register like in the second month of the website publishing, it will affect them more than the people who started the website with them. And some people are losing a lot of cash to this website, and that is why I'm talking about this website. So I'm not saying a specific website, so I'm not accusing any website of defrauding anyone. I'm just saying my own. I'm just giving my own opinion. So I hope you can use this in your own way, so that you can avoid from getting defrauded. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe for my next video. Peace out.